1. Vitul Kumar, a 1993 batch IPS officer from the Uttar Pradesh cadre, has been appointed as the officiating Director General (DG) of the Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) following the retirement of Anish Dayal Singh on December 31, 2024. Kumar, who is currently serving as the Special Director General of the CRPF, will oversee the force during a crucial period, especially with the ongoing challenges in regions like Chhattisgarh and Manipur. 2. The 18th edition of the India-Nepal Joint Military Exercise, Surya Kiran, has commenced at Saljandi, Nepal, from December 29, 2024, to January 13, 2025. 3. On January 1, 2025, Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra assumed command of the Indian Air Forces (IAF) Western Air Command, succeeding Air Marshal Pankaj Mohan Sinha, who retired after over 39 years of distinguished service. 4. The 13th edition of the Joint India-Maldives Military Exercise, Ekuvaran, is being hosted by the Maldives from the 2nd to the 15th of February 2025. This biennial exercise, which alternates between India and the Maldives, is a cornerstone of the defense cooperation between the two nations. The inaugural ceremony of the 13th Ekuvaran exercise was held on the 2nd of February 2025 at the official Composite Training Center of the Maldives National Defense Forces (MNDF) in Mafila Fushi, Maldives. 5. The Indian Army and the Indian Air Force (IAF) have successfully conducted the joint military exercise, Winged Raider, in the Eastern Theater. 6. India and Egypt have launched the third edition of their Joint Special Forces exercise, Cyclone 3, at the Mahajan Field Firing Ranges in Rajasthan. This exercise, scheduled from February 10 to 23, 2025, is a crucial part of the growing military cooperation between the two nations. It follows the second edition held in Egypt in January 2024. 7. India-Japan Joint Military Exercise, Dharma Guardian 2025 feat to be held at Mount Fuji. The sixth edition of exercise Dharma Guardian is scheduled to take place from February 25 to March 9, 2025, at Mount Fuji, Japan. 8. The Indian Army, in collaboration with the Indian Coast Guard and Marine Police, conducted the large-scale military exercise, Jal Thal Raksha 2025, at Betdwarka, Gujarat. 9. Sea Dragon 2025, a multilateral anti-submarine warfare (ASW) exercise, has begun off the Guam coast from March 4 to March 19, 2025. Hosted by the U.S. Navy's 7th Fleet, it includes India, Japan, JMSDF, Australia, RAF, and South Korea, ROKN. 10. The 23rd edition of the bilateral naval exercise Varuna 2025 between India and France will take place from March 19 to 22, 2025, showcasing strong maritime cooperation and operational synergy. Established in 2001, this annual exercise enhances naval interoperability across multiple domains. Key assets include aircraft carriers INS Vikrant, India, and Charles de Gaulle, France, MiG-29K and Rafale M fighter jets, along with destroyers, frigates, and an Indian Skorpion-class submarine. 11. The Indian Army conducted Prachand Prahar, a tri-service integrated multi-domain warfare exercise, in Arunachal Pradesh from March 25 to 27, 2025, under the Eastern Command. 12. Exercise Tiger Triumph 2025, the fourth edition of the India-US Bilateral Tri-Service HADR exercise, will take place from April 1 to 13, 2025, on the eastern seaboard. The exercise includes a harbour phase in Vishakhapatnam, April 1 to 7, and a sea phase off Kakinada, April 8 to 13. Indian Navy, INS Jalashwa, INS Gharial, P-8I aircraft, Indian Army, 91 Infantry Brigade, Indian Air Force, C-130, Mi-17 helicopters, and the US Navy, USS Comstock, USS Ralph Johnson, US Marine Division. 13. The Indra 2025 exercise, held from March 28 to April 2, 2025, was the 14th edition of the bilateral naval drill between the Indian Navy and Russian Navy. The 6th edition of exercise DUSTLIK-DUSTLIKVI, between India and Uzbekistan commenced on April 16, 2025, at the Foreign Training Node, OND, Pune, and will run until April 28, 2025. 15. The Indian Air Force (IAF) conducted exercise Akraman, a major military drill involving Rafale and Su-30 MKI fighter jets to simulate attacks on mountainous and ground targets, test electronic warfare, and conduct live fire operations. 16. On the 15th of May, a large-scale integrated field exercise titled Teesta Prahar was successfully conducted at the Teesta Field Firing Range by the Indian Army. 17. On May 31, 2025, the 17th edition of the India-Mongolia Joint Military Exercise Nomadic Elephant 2025 has been inaugurated at the Special Forces Training Center in Ulaanbaatar. The inauguration ceremony was graced by India's ambassador to Mongolia, Atul Malhari Godsev, and Major General Khagwasuran Ganselam from the Mongolian side. The exercise is being alternately hosted by India and Mongolia, and the previous edition was held at Umroi, Meghalaya, in July 2024. 18. On June 11, 2025, Indian Army contingent reached Ulaanbaatar to participate in the multinational military exercise, Khan Quest, held in Mongolia. This year's edition of the drill will be conducted from June 14 to 28 and will involve forces from multiple countries. The previous edition of Khan Quest was held in Mongolia from July 27 to August 9, 2024. The event, initially launched in 2003 as a bilateral effort between the US and Mongolia, became a global peacekeeping initiative in 2006. This year marks the 22nd edition of the annual exercise. 19. Exercise Shakti 2025 will be held at Le Cavalieri in France from the 18th of June to the 1st of July. The 7th edition of India-France Joint Military Exercise Shakti started at Umroi, Meghalaya on the 13th of May 2024. 20. Indian Air Force IAF and the United States Air Force USAF have completed exercise Tiger Claw across North India. It aimed to improve coordination between the two air forces. The joint drill was conducted from May 26 to June 20. The Defense Cyber Agency, under the Headquarters Integrated Defense Staff, has launched a cyber security exercise called Cyber Suraksha. The exercise is taking place from June 16 to June 27. 21. The Indian Navy will participate in the 32nd edition of SIMBEX later this month. SIMBEX is a bilateral maritime exercise held with the Republic of Singapore Navy. 22. The 14th edition of the India-Singapore Military Exercise, Bold Kurukshetra 2025 feet has started in Jodhpur on the 27th of July 2025. 23. Indian naval ship Satpura has reached Singapore to take part in the 32nd edition of the Singapore-India Maritime Bilateral Exercise, SIMBEX 25. 24. The sea phase of the 12th edition of Sri Lanka India Naval Exercise, SLINEX 25, is being conducted off Colombo. 2 Indian Navy ships are participating in the exercise. The ships are fleet tanker INS Jyoti and a guided missile destroyer INS Rana, SLNS Vijayabahu and SLNS Sayura of the Sri Lanka Navy are taking part in the exercise. 25. The 21st edition of the India-US Joint Military Exercise, Yuddha Abhyas 2025, is being held at Fort Wainwright in Alaska. 26. The armies of India and Thailand began the 14th edition of Joint Exercise Matri 14 in Meghalaya. On September 1, the 14th edition of the Joint Military Exercise between the armies of India and Thailand, Matri 14, commenced at the Joint Training Node in Umroi, Meghalaya. The exercise is scheduled to be conducted from September 1 to September 14, 2025. 27. The Indian Armed Forces participated in Zapad 2025 in Russia. ZAPAD 2025 is being conducted as a multilateral exercise focused on conventional warfare and counterterrorism. 28. The 21st edition of the India-US Joint Military Exercise Yuddha Abhyas 2025 concluded in Alaska. 29. The India-UK Naval Exer. 28. The 21st edition of the India-US Joint Military Exercise Yuddha Abhyas 2025 concluded in Alaska. 29. The India-UK Naval Exercise KONKAN 2025 has started off the western coast of India. KONKAN 2025 will be held in 2 phases, a harbour phase and a sea phase. The exercise is taking place from 5 to the 12th of October 2025. 30. On the 2nd of December, the 14th India-Maldives Exercise, EKUVERIN, started in Kerala. 31. The India-UAE Joint Military Exercise Desert Cyclone 2 commenced in Abu Dhabi. On the 18th of December, the Joint Military Exercise Desert Cyclone 2 was commenced between India and the UAE in Abu Dhabi. The exercise is scheduled to be conducted from December 18 to December 30.